Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is DrQurrat6681. I am a production manager and research and development manager, and also research development consultant and online consultant. I am regulatory officer in DrAP, Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. So, according to my consultation or according to my briefing, my topic of discussion is as why we need separate manufacturing facility for penicillin and non-penicillin productions. First of all, I want to introduce what is penicillin. Penicillins are a group of natural semisynthetic antibiotics containing beta-lactam race with 6-aminopenicillinic acid or 6-aminopenicillinic acid and are effective against bacteria. Why discovered? Who discovered penicillin? Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928 from the fungus Penicillium. The discovery of penicillin brought huge changes in the field of medicine, and it is also known as the wonder drug or queen of drugs. The discovery and development of penicillin, that is the discovery, as we can see that in the picture, a scientist Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. Here there is a mold or there is a manufacturing process you can see in the picture. Their description is as follows: what is beta-lactam ring? First of all, beta-lactam is a four-membered lactam, and lactam is an amide in the form of cyclic amide. This lactam is called beta-lactam because nitrogen is attached to the beta carbon. Beta-lactam is a part of many important antibiotics, and these antibiotics work by inhibiting the synthesis of the cell wall of bacteria. As you can see in the bottom of the picture, there is a chemical structure of penicillin G, and you can also see there's some spores of penicillin that's also called Streptococcus aureus, penicillin chrysogenum or penicillin notatum. You can also see in the picture there is a growth of fungus, as penicillin is a mold or a type of fungus. There is Alexander Fleming, a scientist who discovered that all penicillin. Name of antibiotics containing beta-lactam ring. Some common classes of antibiotics which contain beta-lactam ring. These are as follows: penicillin, cephalosporins, spinums, carbapenems, monobactams. What is common in all beta-lactam? The similarity between all the above-mentioned class of beta-lactam antibiotic is that all contains four-membered lactam ring having three carbon and one nitrogen cyclamide, as uh, you can see in the previous picture. How does the beta-lactam antibiotics class differ? The difference between activity or reactivity of different classes of beta-lactam antibiotics is due to the difference in the attachment of the side chains or different groups attachment via peptides. And explanation is as follows: as penicillins have 6-aminopenicillinic acid, cephalosporins have 7-aminocephalosporinic acid in their structure. Penams, the beta-lactam ring is fused to saturated 5-membered ring which has one sulfur atom, and in carbapenems here carbon is substituted by sulfur. So there is a chemical linkages or bond difference that make them differentiate from all of them. Why does penicillin manufacturing require a separate facility? As we discussed in the above portion, penicillins are sensitizing agents and may trigger hypersensitivity reactions, although the ratio is very low, about 10% by US FDA and other regulatory bodies demand to manufacture these antibiotics in separate facilities to prevent cross-contamination. What does a separate manufacturing facility mean? The answer is very simple. A separate manufacturing facility is a design that has a separate manufacturing area from the main plant for manufacturing of other products. We should need separate high HVAC system or highly ventilated air conditioning system, separate equipment, separate workforce, and separate laundry. We should need separate canteen and separate washrooms as well. As you can see in the picture in that diagram, you can see there is a manufacturing area, there is a lab area, and you can see there is a injectable filling area or tablet manufacturing area. All these areas should be separate for penicillin production. Why the above-mentioned precautions are done for penicillin manufacture? It is to prevent cross-contamination, and we know that air may also result in cross-contamination, so suitable distance is maintained between penicillin and other products manufacturing plants. So there is a need to avoid cross-contamination chances. We should need a separate manufacturing area. How much distance should be maintained between penicillin manufacturing plant and other products plant? Rough estimation is that a distance of 75 meters or more than 75 meters should be maintained between plant to plant. There are certain points that should be considered, like penicillin for all other sensitization, non-penicillin, beta-lactam antibiotic classes. The FDG recommends separate manufacturing facilities and strict control. The penicillin sensitivity or hypersensitivity due to the penicillin may be to so severe that the invisible traces of penicillin or the documents like BMRs, the gas manufacturing reports can start hypersensitivity reactions. Sometimes it may be the case where a plant is not manufacturing the penicillin or other non-penicillin beta-lactam antibiotics, but the district or nearby plant is producing the above mentioned. So preventive measures will have to be taken by the plant of non-penicillin to prevent penicillin hypersensitivity. So thank you for your attention.